Good morning. Welcome to my project. I bought this house about 4.5 years ago and I've been working on it ever since. And I want to get it on the market this year, so I'm making a big push to get it done. Want to thank my brother Greg and my dad Simon. Without you guys, I wouldn't have got as far as I have with this project, and I wouldn't know as much as I do now. So thank you so much, and I love you both. If you've ever done a DIY project before, you know it's like orchestration. You have to finish one project before you can move on to the next one. And I'm up against the wall with the ceramic tile in my kitchen now. So to move on to the next step, I need to get this done. So anyway, what I've done so far is I have put down the hardy board. Now what you got to remember is what you see in this kitchen today. See the granite and the nice little cabinets and the pass-through? That wall wasn't even there when I bought this place. So I've added the whole kitchen to it, and been kind of working on it as I go along. But anyway, here we are with the hardy board. It's already down. So what I'll be doing today is laying ceramic tile. I'll tell you 3 things about working with hardy board. Wear a mask and goggles when you cut it because it throws off a lot of debris. And number 2 is it doesn't need to be perfect when you lay it on the ground. I've got some little crevices there. They're going to fill in with thin set, so don't worry about it being totally perfect. The one thing you do need to worry about, though, is all those little screws that you see. Can you see them? Okay, they need to be flush with the surface or a little bit below the surface of the hardy board, because if they're sticking up, when you lay your tile on top and you walk on it, it's going to crack. So you want to make sure that all your screws are flush with the surface. So thank you for watching my video. I'm going to update you a little bit later on my progress, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Later.